And that way, if we die, it happens instantly. Learn focus energy. Okay. Okay. Okay, we got away safely. That was close. I think you got a crit.
Time to super grind some more. No!
Oh,
Oh god, oh god.
That was close, man. I think you just use water sport though.
We're
yeah.
level 9, we're good, we're good.
Yeah, we're good. You know, maybe we should evolve our Pokemon first. Let's go.
Alright, so our super grinding's over.
Yes.
Let's fight him for real. Because we didn't fight him originally. We almost died. Shit.
Man.
Go select.
Oh, dude, we should have focused energy.
It doesn't matter, we got a critical. Okay, we're good. Let's leave.
Let's super kill him. Oh no, our attack has permanently been lowered. We've been tackled.
We're good.
Puchenya.
I'm shaking my fist in rage and anger at the Puchiana. Scratch him to death. Rip out his eyeballs.
Good job.
Good job, Chicken Select. Hey man.
Come on now, just select.
I don't care. Oh, it's level 5.
Okay.
Well, better for us.
Better safe than not safe at all. This is quite the opposite of our blue version.
I know.
Rival battles. Where we got beat every time, somehow.
Yay.
Very level 10.
Yay.
Oh, cool, we've got Ember. We can spit fire at stuff.
I hope we don't overkill things when we try to catch them.
Oh, yeah. Forgot about that. Okay, time to go back to Route 1 or whatever and catch a Pokemon. I think we can get Pokeballs now. Head back to the lab. Oh man, we might see another Pokemon on our way. Oh,
I might want to heal up a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Super fast.
Okay. Let's mosey. No. Shut up.
We already knew that we had to go back.
Better?
Alright. I think we might be able to catch a Pokemon.
I know.
Unless we accidentally kill it. Let's scratch.
Or Ember.
No, we're not using Ember.
But Ember has like the base attack of
No,
30.
but it also gets stabbed.
Oh yeah.
So it's stronger than Scratch.
Yay, Pokédex.
I'll poke your dex.
If you know what I mean.
Nope.
We got the
Yeah,
Pokeball.
we got his balls.
We got one. We got the Pokeball, Stuart.
Oh, yes, the Pokeball.
Just one Pokeball. Okay, let's leave and catch our first Pokemon. Or attempt to. Oh no, our mother. She thinks Solak is adorable.
Yeah,
Yes!
we got running shoes.
Running shoes.
We can put a zip in our step.
What? Slip on these running shoes and race in the great outdoors.
She's become unresponsive. You know, we've only been in our room like once.
And she doesn't care that we're going on our own adventure. When we're like...
Hey, we gotta catch a Pokemon.
Oh yeah.
Because we were lucky enough not to see a Pokemon our first time too.
Zagoon!
Oh crap, it's level 2.
Crap!
I think it might die.
It's okay, we're gonna scratch it.
No, man. I think we overtrained. Oh man.
It's okay. We have another chance.
No, we don't.
No, I mean at our next route.
Oh yeah.
Because we're very close.
I hope we find a Seedot.
Why?
Because those things are cool. They bite and bite and bite.
Oh yeah, it would help us on our first gym also.
What's the first gym?
Rock.
Oh, Rock. Yeah, that would help us quite a bit.
Or Lotad. Lotad.
Wait,
Pokemon fights.
was the first route 1 or 2?
Yeah.
Then we already saw a Pokemon on route 1 or 2.
We destroyed it.
So that was our first opportunity to catch it on route 1 or 2.
Yeah, we killed it.
Yeah, so that means we can't catch one on this route.
No, that was 101.
Oh, that was 101?
Yeah, that was 101. We haven't been here yet.
Oh, okay.
Calvin?
Oh man, we're gonna level up again.
No!
Oh man, we should have power cranked.
Curse you, Select!
Why does Select have to be so strong?
Okay, we're never naming our Pokemon after buttons on a Game Boy.
Why?
Or options. Oh, I did level up.
I think we should name all of ours.
No,
after
we're
options.
not doing that.
I think we should.
We'll just...
Seedot? Oh, Wurmple.
It's okay. Let's
Okay.
not kill it.
Alright, dude, let's look at our summary, because I mean, Ember might be weaker. Okay. Okay. So, wait. Look at our attack real quick.
40.
40 and 40, okay. So, look at our attack. No,
Oh.
look at our stats. Okay. So, yeah, we should use Scratch.
Yes.
Definitely.
Don't die, don't die, don't die.
Oh my god.
Yes.
We gotta throw a ball at it now. And then power level it. Okay, cool. I thought it was gonna...
I thought it was gonna...
Yeah.
And then we couldn't catch him again.
Yeah. Tapeworm.
Let's give him legit names, not really.
Squishy.
Okay.
You forgot the eye.
Oh yeah, I did. Oh, crap. There we go. We're good. Squishy will help us.
Okay, now let's go back to Route 101 and power him up.
We're probably gonna cut out.
We'll just do it super fast. We gotta switch him to our first Pokemon.
Oh crap. It's okay.
Okay, I don't know if we can do super speed on him because I don't know how strong he'll actually be. I don't want him to die. We're gonna get a Dustox, right? The first one you get is the Dustox always?
I don't think so. It's random.
I don't know. So, like, whenever I played it, like, I would always get a Dustox first.
I think we're gonna get raped.
I think we should do the thing where we switch to the next
Yeah.
Pokemon. Yeah.
Oh shit.
No, come on. He's gonna use String Shot at some point.
No, that was legitimately easy. Let's do it again.
I think we should go left to right. Like, we can take him. We can take him. We're double his level. Cool, we almost leveled up.
Just in case.
It's only level 2.
Burn it. We're going to heal. Because you can never be safe. Better sorry than safe, Stuart.
Better with the shotgun than not. Crap, crap. Switch out, switch out, switch out. Man, that was a close one. Wait, did it say you learned string shot?
No. Poison sting.
Wait, dude, switch out.
I'm switching.
Dude, wait. Go ahead and switch Ember to the first slot. Cause it's gonna be a lot stronger.
No. No! Goddamn. I think we're cutting this. Hopefully.
You missed the Pokemon Center. Why did you use Poison Sting?
I want to poison him.
Dude, it doesn't have that great of a chance of poisoning him. I don't think. But in, like, in Heart Gold and Soul Silver, Poison Sting poisons like more than half the time. Oh crap, man.
Oh god, oh god. Yay! What is the first gym's level again?
I don't know. I think first gym's usually around like level 10 or something.
I think he's good for powering level. Okay, let's continue. Let's mosey. Let's talk to this guy. We're fighting Rick, Stuart.
Okay.
I don't think we're gonna make it, Stuart.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
You're sorry.
I am sorry.
You know, I have a feeling that we might make it.
Yeah. Oh man, there's a Ralts on this area.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Dang it.
But Ralts is really hard to find.
I know. And I like Ralts. Oh well.
Gardevoir is pretty cool.
No.
Wait, don't we have to set our battle style to set?
We do?
I thought that was part of Nuzlocke.
Oh yeah. Crap.
Well, we've been abiding by those
Yeah.
rules anyways. Oh no.
Oh no, strength shot. Down and up. Alright, let me change that. Which
Up
one?
2. Down 1. There we go.
No! Alright, let's do this.
Save.
Why?
It's always good to save.
We don't need to save though. Okay, let's... Can we do this, Stuart?